Bro, why are they so round?
And 92. Cheers! Wait, but actually, you didn't cry during the guard thing. Oh, okay, live. Oh, hi, baby. I didn't see you there.
One more color. Actually, can we use this one? I think for the last book. The beaches, the neutral color scheme. Sure. Let's go.
Here's Caitlin's glorious cookie batter. It's 4 o'clock.
Get the mouse in the same place. Just click.
Karina.
Or who?
Avril.
Well, the giver gets gifts. That's over there. Okay, now this is. Brendan. The one from Hong Kong.
Yeah.
Okay.
You got the glitch room. Yeah, military haircut. That's what it is.
They have a military haircut. I knew you would get a military haircut.
Baby, where are you? Baby, where are you? I only see your gift. Mother. There's not a chip. Oh, you're welcome. What, 5 per or 4? Oh shit, it's the left leg for?
It's doing it differently.
I color, so like I was like color matching.
I look so funny.
Wait, literally. I feel like it's a different side. I don't remember it. We can do better.
Wait, how
It's so bad. Why is that? I don't remember. Wait, no.
I got each of you guys acceptance into your dream college. Each of you have boyfriend because I know. This potato is funny because we decided it best resonates with you and your personality.
Thank you.
like olive oil.
Right? And you complete the circle. Circle. And then go down.
Wait, you have to do the toast. Why don't do the arm? I'd like to make a toast for the seniors. Congrats on making it past the important semester.
Yeah.
And in general, good job for passing first semester.
More or less.
3, 2, cheers!
That was kind of bad.
Actually, this is kind of a lot. We're supposed to go.
Woo!
Well, we're string a bit, you know?
Should we just bring it out?
To everyone, happy birthday, dear everyone. Happy birthday to everyone. Woo!
Happy birthday is plural, and I was like, that's so good.
Caitlin cried. Wait, you should take it with the
Like streams of tears going down her face.
Ashley. Okay, live vocals. the slap.
Time to rock to go riding in a one-horse sleigh. Giddy up, jingle around the clock. Mix and a mingle.
Come on, Regina. Yeah.
Make your wishes, everyone. No, okay, no, we're gonna make a... What? Okay, 3, 2, 1. Yay!
어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all 어제까지도 우리는 같이 있었고 이제는 네가 떠나도 I don't care about it all 어젯밤과 함께 떠나간 떠남개는 나를 전혀 바라보지 않잖아 이 둘 사이 관계는 깊지 않아 관계는 깊지 않아 보이는 거 알잖아 발장을 끼지 않고 걷기로 해 억지로 웃음 짓지 않기로 해 조금만 떨어져서 걷기로 해
My parents are at behind me. They're at the sports at the stadium. Well, pretty cool hotel so far.
우리가 모자를 맞췄던 날도 이제 없으니까 그럴 일 없으니까 이제 없으니까
Day 2 Vegas. I don't know if you can see it, but I found a bear clip in the back. And this brush, very good brush.
Resort World.
要噶啦，我落機就。
哪里的？当然。We'll see.
This one is the big one. 邊個要？唔使影埋我。
This is what we got from Shanghai Plaza. Mom got this 20th anniversary. I got this. It's a My Melody keychain, but it's like Cupid. Very cute. And my mom got a Smisky and I got a Sonny Angel Hipper. So I'm gonna open it. Is it? I can't open it. Why are you opening it that way? Please. Okay, go on.
Ew! 揞住啫，藍色㗎。
What is it? Like what, man? Feel it.
Deeper.
Yeah, feel it. No, I got the one I didn't want. I don't like this.
Okay.
There you go. Even though I'm on vacation, I still have to do my college essay. I've been sitting here for like 3 hours. And it's like almost 9. I haven't ate dinner. My parents are going to get me dinner. It's rough, but I only have winter break and then I'm free. Save me.
What? Close go off.
Open, go.
But it's tired.
Look at the sphere. Good view for the fire. Uh-huh.
seconds.
我再影過啦。
Nine. Oh, finally.
9,
10,
6,
5,
4, 3, 2, 1.
We're visiting the sphere today.
To explore 啦，呢個。 5點半開始。
Granite teeth.
I give 4 out of 10. It's not that bad, but not that good.